There are lots of folding bikes you can pick from. They all have different things about them, such as good stuff and how much they cost. I looked at a bunch of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these folding bikes are really helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost and more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Zizo Campo 20-inch folding bike. The Zizo Campo 20-inch folding bike offers unparalleled convenience and functionality for urban commuters and adventurous riders alike. Equipped with a 7-speed gear system, it effortlessly tackles various terrains, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. Its adjustable stem allows riders to customize their riding position for optimal comfort, promoting better posture and reducing fatigue during long journeys. Crafted with a lightweight frame, this folding bike strikes the perfect balance between portability and durability, making it easy to carry and store in compact spaces when not in use. Whether navigating bustling city streets or exploring scenic trails, the Zizo Campo delivers reliable performance and agility. Designed for practicality, this folding bike seamlessly folds down to a compact size, allowing for effortless transportation on public transit or in the trunk of a car. Its versatility and ease of use make it an ideal choice for commuters seeking a convenient and eco-friendly mode of transportation. Number 2. Schwinn Hinge Adult Folding Bike. The Schwinn Hinge Adult Folding Bike offers convenience and versatility for urban commuters and leisure riders alike. With its 20-inch wheels, this compact bike provides a smooth and efficient ride while being easily portable. Its folding mechanism allows for quick and effortless storage in tight spaces, whether it's on public transportation, in a small apartment, or in the trunk of a car. Equipped with a rear carry rack, the Schwinn Hinge enables you to transport small items or groceries with ease. The included carrying bag adds an extra layer of portability and protection, making it convenient to take your bike on the go without worrying about dirt or damage. Available in multiple colors, you can choose the style that best suits your preferences. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the city, or running errands, the Schwinn Hinge folding bike combines practicality with comfort and style, offering a reliable means of transportation for your daily adventures. Number 3. X-Spec 27-Speed Folding Compact City Commuter Bike. The X-Spec 27-Speed Folding Compact City Commuter Bike is a versatile and efficient transportation solution, perfect for urban commuters and city dwellers. Designed for practicality and convenience, this bike offers a seamless blend of functionality and portability without the added complexity of electric components. With its 7-speed gear system, riders can easily navigate various terrains and inclines, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride in any environment. The folding mechanism allows for effortless storage and transportation, making it ideal for commuters with limited space or those who need to combine cycling with other modes of transport. Constructed with durability in mind, the X-Spec 20 features a sturdy frame and reliable components that ensure long-lasting performance. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver through crowded streets and store in tight spaces when not in use. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or exploring the city, the X-Spec 27-Speed Folding Compact City Commuter Bike offers a reliable and convenient way to get around, all without the need for electric assistance. Number 4. Columba 26-inch 18-speed SP26 is folding bike. The Columba 26-inch 18-speed SP26 is folding bike is a versatile and convenient choice for urban commuters and avid cyclists alike. With its foldable design, this bike offers portability and easy storage, making it ideal for those with limited space or for taking on public transportation. Equipped with 18 speeds, riders can effortlessly tackle various terrains and inclines, providing a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. The 26-inch wheels offer stability and control, while the folding mechanism ensures quick and hassle-free folding and unfolding. Constructed with durability in mind, the Columba SP26's features a sturdy frame that can withstand the rigors of daily use. Its ergonomic design promotes comfort during long rides, with adjustable components to accommodate different riders' preferences. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the city streets, or embarking on leisurely rides, the Columba 26-inch 18-speed SP26's folding bike offers reliability, convenience, and performance in a compact package. Number 5. X-Spec 26 21-speed folding mountain bike. The X-Spec 26 is a versatile folding mountain bike designed for adventurous adults seeking reliable performance both on trails and on urban commutes. With 21-speed gearing, it offers a wide range of options to tackle varying terrains with ease, whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising along flat roads. Its folding feature enhances portability, allowing you to conveniently transport and store it in compact spaces, which is ideal for commuters or travelers. Crafted with durability in mind, this bike features a sturdy frame that can withstand rugged trails while providing a comfortable ride. Its mountain bike tires offer excellent traction and stability on uneven surfaces, ensuring a smooth and confident biking experience. Equipped with front and rear suspension, it absorbs shocks and bumps, enhancing comfort during off-road adventures. The X-Spec 26 is designed with adjustable components to accommodate riders of different sizes and preferences, promoting a customizable and ergonomic fit. Additionally, its folding mechanism is user-friendly, enabling quick and hassle-free assembly and disassembly.